Yo, what's up guys? I'm back with another video, and today we have a lot of awesome stuff going on. So you guys may or may not know, but I am in Vermont right now, and we're basically skiing and doing all sorts of fun stuff. So today we had a lot of awesome stuff going on, and basically I'm just going to be walking you guys through what we did, what happened, and I'm basically just going to narrate it, and it should be good, so let's get right into it. Peep the different changing colored lights. They're blue, now they're purple, now they're green. Yeah, those are pretty cool. Alright, so to start off the day, I woke up and we went downstairs and got breakfast, and I didn't film anything of us eating breakfast, but then after that we went back up to the room and I basically just got all my snow stuff on and I got ready to ski. So roll a clip.
I've been in the hills, fucking superstars, feeling like a pop star. Drinking any bad bitches, jumping in the pool, and I ain't got on no bra. Hit her front or back, pulling on the tracks, and now she screaming out no more. They like Savage, why you got a 12-car garage and you only got 15 cars? Cause we all just wanna be big rock stars and live in hilltop houses, driving 15 cars. The girls come easy and the drugs come cheap. Well, I'll stay skinny cause we just won't eat, and we'll hang out in the coolest bars in the VIP with the movie stars. Every good gold digger's gonna wind up there, every playboy bunny with the bleached blonde hair, and we'll hide out in the private rooms with the latest dictionary of today's who's who. They'll get you anything with that evil smile. Everybody's got a drug dealer on the speed dial. Well, hey, I wanna be a rock star.
Myself. Alright, so after I got all my snow stuff on, we got in the car, drove up to the mountain, which is about like 5 minutes away, and yeah. So we got to the mountain, and then we got in the gondola, which is like a chairlift if you guys don't already know, and then we just went to the top of the mountain, and we basically repeated that for a couple hours, and we just kept skiing and going down the hill, and it was really fun. So roll the clip of that.
His was bigger.
So as you guys saw, that was awesome. Unfortunately, my GoPro did die about an hour, 2 hours into us skiing, and I was just getting warmed up because I haven't skied in like 2 years. So that wasn't great skiing, but it'll do. I hope you guys enjoyed that. So after we got back from skiing, we came back to the hotel and we got something to eat. So roll the clip. Alright, so after we ate, I'm here right now. This is about like 20 minutes after I ate, and I'm filming this. And in about like maybe an hour or so, I think me and my dad are gonna go swim. There's an outdoor heated pool, and I'll probably make a quick GoPro edit of that. So let's roll the clip.
Ocean man, take me by the hand, lead me to the land that you understand. Ocean man, the voyage to the corner of the globe is a real trip. Ocean man, the crust of the tan man by the sand, soaking up the thirst of the land. Ocean man, can you see?
So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. We did a lot of cool stuff. The skiing was the highlight of the day, which was awesome. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe, leave a like, comment, and share with your friends. And so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out.
Got me through the pain. Danger, danger. I don't fit in, I'm a stranger. Believer, I can take out all the evil. Empowerment to all my people. I can prove to you I'm a leader. Run through the money, no visa. Forgive me cause my life illegal.
Searching for the bag in the prime.